talked about this earlier, the different House bills. So there are 4, but only we're talking or presenting to you now only the 2. I don't know when the other 2 would be presented. There's a lot of debate going on about these bills, but let me talk about the House bill first. This is 4121. Remember, in the Magna Carta, the word there is encouraged. So TV stations are encouraged to have sign language interpreting. The House bill forces them to have sign language interpreting. So all TV stations, all news programs would have sign language interpreting. That's what makes this bill different from the Magna Carta. Now, House Bill 4631, on the other hand, doesn't talk about deaf people in particular, but persons with disabilities in general, and the provision of court interpreters for them. We are doing a lot of advocacy work in relation to supporting these 2 laws, 2 bills. Teddy Casino is one of the proponents of these bills. Luz somebody is also a proponent. There's a congresswoman who's a proponent of the House bill. So we are waiting for 2 more House bills.